Now, uh, a rectangular octagon, okay, a rectangular octagon, this figure is not given in the question. I have inserted this figure to make it you clear. So, this figure is not part of the actual question. A regular octagon A, B, C, D, E, F, G, H. A, B, like A, B, C, D, E, F, G, H, right. A regular octagon has sides of length 6 each, right. Each side is 6, all these sides are 6, okay. 6 each. Then the area in square centimeter of the square ACEG, we have to find the area of ACEG. Okay. Now, to find the area of the square, we have to find the side of the square. Let the side of the square, each side of ACEG, let us say each side is A, this is A, right, side is A. Now, you see what is the it's a regular octagon. So, all interior angles are equal and all exterior angles are equal. What is the value of each exterior angle? We know that sum of all exterior angle is 180 degree, right. So, each exterior angle is 180 degree divided by 8, which will come as 45 degree, right. So, each exterior angle is 45 degree. So, what is the value of each interior angle? It will be 180 minus 45, right, which will be 135 degree, right. So, each interior angle is 135 degree, right. So, this angle is H, angle AEG, right, sorry, angle H means angle AHG, angle AHG will be 135 degree, okay, 135 degree. Now, in this triangle AHG, we know there are one side is 6, one side is 6 and the other side is A. We have assumed the side of the square to be A, and angle opposite to A, that is angle H, is 135 degree. Now, we can use the cosine formula, right. Okay. So, we can cosine formula, we know that in a triangle, in any triangle, okay, in triangle ABC, this side is small a, opposite to B small b and small c, right. We have a formula that b square plus c square, b square plus c square minus a square is 2 times bc into cos a, right. We can use that same concept here. So, we can see that 6 square plus 6 square minus a square, okay, is equal to, we can write it as equals to 2 BC, right. So, 2 into 6 into 6, right, 2 into 6 into 6 into cos of angle H, cos of angle H, cos of angle AHG, right. Or we can say 6 square 36 plus 36 72 minus a square is equal to, this is again 72 times cos of, and cos HG is 135 degree, which is nothing but 180 minus 45 degree. So, this is 180 degree minus 45 degree. Okay. So, here we got 72 minus a square equals to 72 times. Now, cos 180 degree minus 45 degree is a it will be in the second quadrant. In second quadrant, cos is negative and it is 90's even multiple. So, cos will remain cos. So, it will be minus cos 45 degree. Okay. So, from here we can say 72 minus a square is equal to it will be minus 72 cos 45 degree is 1 by root 2. So, 72 by root 2, okay. We can multiply the numerator and denominator by root 2 to rationalize the denominator, okay. Root 2 into root 2 will be 2. So, it will be 36, So, it will become 36 root 2, right. Okay. So, here we got we have to find the area of the square, which is nothing but a square, right. Area of the square is a square. So, from here I can say 72, I will bring this side, okay, plus 36 root 2 equals to a square, right. This is the a value of the a square, or we can say from here, if you take 36 common, if I take 36 common, it will be 2 plus root 2, right, equals to a square. So, a square is 36 times 36 into 2 plus root 2. So, that is the answer for this question, 36 times 2 plus root 2, right. 36 times 2 plus root 2 is the answer, that is option 4, that is 36 into 2 plus root 2. I think this is clear.